sure. The following are 10 essential snippets of data about the BMW 1 Series. Number 1. Presentation. The BMW 1 Series is a minimal extravagance vehicle delivered by the German automaker BMW. It was first presented in 2004 as the replacement to the BMW 3 Series Minimal. Number 2. Model reach. The BMW 1 Series is accessible in different body styles, including a 3-entryway hatchback, F21, 5-entryway hatchback, F20, and the 4-entryway car, F52. The most recent age is known as the F40, presented in 2019. Number 3. Back tire drive. Not at all like a large portion of contenders have front-wheel drive. The BMW 1 Series is known for its back tire drive design. This gives it a sportier driving encounter and better equilibrium. Number 4. Motor choices. The BMW 1 Series offers a scope of motor choices, including petroleum, diesel, and mixture powertrains. The motors differ concerning execution and productivity, with choices going from 3-chamber to 6-chamber motors. Number 5. Execution models. BMW offers superior execution variations under the M-Execution umbrella. The ongoing first-in-class model is the BMW M135i xDrive, highlighting a strong motor, sport-tuned suspension, and other execution upgrades. Number 6. Innovation elements. The BMW 1 Series consolidates different innovation highlights, including an easy-to-use infotainment framework with a touch-screen show, computerized instrument group, cell phone network, and high-level driver help frameworks. Number 7. Inside and freight space. Regardless of being a reduced vehicle, the BMW 1 Series gives an agreeable and very much planned inside. It offers seating for up to 5 travelers and has a nice measure of freight space, particularly with the back seats collapsed down. Number 8. Well-being highlights. The BMW 1 Series is furnished with a scope of security highlights, for example, versatile voyage control, path takeoff cautioning, programmed crisis slowing down, vulnerable side observing, and stopping help frameworks. Number 9. Plan and styling. The BMW 1 Series includes a smooth and current plan, described by BMW's particular kidney grille, athletic body lines, and unmistakable drove headlights. It consolidates liveliness with style, mirroring the brand's general plan language. Number 10. Worldwide fame. The BMW 1 Series has acquired notoriety internationally because of its blend of extravagance, execution, and minimal size. It requests to a great many clients searching for a top-notch smaller vehicle with a lively driving encounter. Please note that the specifics of the BMW 1 Series models may vary depending on the market and the specific year and generation.